Howdy folks, General back to you. Figured I'd give you a little idea on how you can arrange stuff, in your kitchen. Those splatter shields and stuff. Kind of keep your kitchen neat. Those are all on hook magnets. That hook magnet doesn't hurt anything. See how the beaters do? Back up a little bit where you... That's a range hood, but it's a dandy place for your foil and wraps and stuff. Here's my cooling racks and spoons, serving spoons and stuff. Now this is just a quick idea of things that you can do to organize your stuff. Here's where I keep all my green tea and my good my drinks and stuff right there handy. All of them neat in a pile. There's another pair of scissors so I don't have to go over yonder. And there's a sign. It's detachable.